According to latest media reports, the sea trials of the secondary Hunt-class nuclear submarine is nearing completion, and it is expected to be inducted into the Indian Navy by mid-2020. The S-4 nuclear ballistic submarine will be ready for sea trials by end of 2020, which is an extended Hunt-class design with twice the payload capability. The S-4 Star nuclear ballistic submarine will also be ready for sea trials by 2022, and will be inducted by 2024. While the 5,000 km range K-5 submarine-launched ballistic system is yet to be tested by the DRDO, the Modi government has approved to design and develop the 8,000 km range K-6 submarine-launched ballistic system, that will be equipped on the upcoming S-5 class nuclear ballistic submarines. In an undeniably impressive move by the Modi government, India has ramped up defense exports to Africa, as India aims to join the ranks of leading exporters of defense equipment. India has offered a wide range of defense equipment including artillery systems, combat helicopters, aircraft carriers, light combat aircraft, frigates, submarines and much more. India is currently supplying bulletproof jackets to 18 countries, which was made possible after industrial licenses were issued to 15 companies for manufacturing, and this resulted into a production capacity of over 10 lakh jackets per year. Top experts have said that the most significant India-US defense deal will be the sale of 30 long-endurance armed UAVs for the 3 Indian armed forces, and this platform will allow seamless monitoring and swift armed response across India's vast land and maritime borders. The 30 Predator drones will include the most advanced sensors for anti-submarine operations, signals intelligence gathering capability and next-generation synthetic aperture radar systems. It will come equipped with Hellfire systems as well as standoff systems, and will carry several jamming pods for disabling enemy defenses. As per latest media reports, a total of 132 Indian scientists had left the DRDO in the last 5 years, on which the Minister of State for Defense has said that financial incentives have been increased to make the career of scientists more lucrative. Chinese media has reported that China is ready to launch its second Type 75 amphibious combat ship, as construction of the hull and flight deck has recently completed. China had decided to slow down the pace of key defense production programs after coronavirus outbreak last month, and this could be the first Chinese ship to be launched since the outbreak. The Modi government is working on a new cybersecurity policy that would address all the issues related to the cyber ecosystem like standardization, testing, auditing and capacity building. India faces second highest cyber intrusions in the world, and if this rise in cyber risk vulnerability is not addressed, it could impact the GDP of the country. Along with indigenous platforms, the Indian Armed Forces have made special efforts to ramp up its air defense with procurements from foreign countries, which includes the purchase of S-400 air defense system, Israel's Spider defense system, Indo-Israeli MRSAM, and the sale of NASAMS-2 at an estimated cost of $1.86 billion. India has also ordered the dual-mount Stinger air defense systems from the US, Sentinel radar systems, AIM-120 C-7 and C-8 systems. After the new Malaysian Prime Minister had taken over his office, Malaysia's new Minister of Plantation Industries and Commodities has said that Malaysia aims to resolve its palm oil issue with India within the next 30 days, and Malaysia will send a delegation to India as soon as possible for improving the ties between the two countries.
Omar dropped it.